Alright, we got a little baby snook to start off the day. Might notice I'm in an old junky kayak. It's because I got my buddy Bill with me today. He's looking to get into kayak fishing and he's interested in possibly buying a Vibe Sea Ghost, which is what I fish. So I'm letting him use mine today to see how he likes it. So I'm in an Evoke. It's not really a fishing kayak, it's just got a foam seat molded right onto the deck. Not exactly comfortable, but we can still catch fish out of it. Another little baby snook. Hopefully there's some bigger ones out here today. Man, he almost got me with his gill plates. Little baby snook. He was right up in there. That's a good spot right there. I'm not going to tell you where it is. This is where I've caught my personal best redfish, was right in this little hole. They love these little holes where current forces bait through them. They can just sit and wait. Man, it is pretty out here this morning. Look at that sky. So beautiful. I love it when it's cloudy like that and the sky paints a picture. Sun still hasn't even come up yet. I got a nice snook on. He took me into the mangroves. I wasn't recording. He had me all wrapped up in the roots, but I got him out. No, I think I got him. He's only about 24 inches maybe. Got him. Man, he had me all wrapped up. I thought there was no way I was gonna get him out. That was fun. So I've got no way of anchoring up on this kayak. I didn't set up a trolley or anything on this kayak, so all right, now we know where they are. They're in the creek. Not a bad snook, little 20-incher, 22 maybe.
Nice one.
There he goes. No, he's still on. I think I got him out. Oh, he broke it. Oh. I was not recording that whole time either. I just hooked a monster. It took me way back into the roots and broke me off.
He never surfaced though, did he?
Nope. That was either a good like slot snook or a juvenile tarpon. Broke it at the braid. Yeah, he was up in the roots.
You know, I bet that was a snook. They know that's where they go.
Yeah.
Those smart snook, they just go in there.
Yeah, that was I think you're right. That was like a slot to over slot snook.
That's a characteristic of a snook. You know, that's where they go. So he was just sitting there nose into that water, wasn't he?
Yep. He followed it all the way up to the kayak and bit it at the last minute. Man, I wish I would have been recording right there. There we go. Oh yeah. No, 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 no. Gotcha. Yes. A big snook. Yeah, it's a big slot snook. I gotta see if I'm recording. Oh yes, I'm recording. Check them out. Whew. Beautiful snook. I got my GoPro running. Okay, that's the first time I got an applause for catching a fish. $28.5. Right in the slot. This would be dinner if it was in season. Beautiful fish. Ooh, you got me. You got me good with this fin. All right, so I just caught up with Bill and he caught a nice big snook as well. He said it was about 27, 28 inches. So right there at the, right there near slot size. So the fish are definitely biting today. An awesome day. You know what they say, if you don't catch a tree every now and then, you're probably not throwing close enough.
Yeah.
Something I took away from today is that you don't need a fancy kayak to catch fish. This kayak that I'm using today only costs a few $100s. Granted, it's not nearly as comfortable to fish out of as my Vibe, but got me on the fish. So if you're looking at just getting into kayak fishing and you have access to an inexpensive kayak, you want to find out if you're gonna like it or not, then go ahead and give the cheap kayak a try before you make the investment. That being said, you probably will enjoy kayak fishing more if you start out with a nicer kayak that's just more comfortable and easy to fish out of. Honestly, I wasn't that optimistic about the conditions today. I typically don't do that great in the summertime, but the key for our success today was we got out early when the fish are biting. Once it gets hot in the summer here in Florida, it's hard to catch fish. So we got out, we started at, I think we left the house at about 5:15, So we were on the water by 6 o'clock or so, before the sun even came up. So that was one of the keys to success, was getting out when the water temps are still favorable. And the other key was that it stayed overcast all day, so that kind of extended the morning bite into the late morning hours. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.